What's up everyone, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. Have you ever lifted up the car with your floor jack and you start noticing that the floor jack is slightly going down? Then most likely there's air trapped in it or it's low on hydraulic fluid. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my method on how to bleed the air out of the floor jack and how to keep it in top shape. So let's get to it. To avoid any spills, place some rags under the jack. Find the filler valve, it might be covered by a plate. Use a flathead screwdriver to open the valve screw. Rotate the handle counterclockwise and pull the handle down. I'm refilling the floor jack with hydraulic fluid, but I wasn't able to capture it in the video. Close the valve. Then pump the handle a few times. Open the valve to release any trapped air. Pull the handle down. Before pulling the handle back up, close the valve. Do this around 5 times. You can use a grease gun to lubricate the moving parts. Stop when you see grease coming out. Now finally, use a silicone spray on the moving parts to keep everything smooth. Alright you guys, so after following all these steps, if your floor jack is still not working, then I hate to say it, but it's time for a brand new one. Stop by a Harbor Freight. They got some low prices on floor jacks. If y'all found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.